So once, when I was stressed and feeling overwhelmed at work, a friend asked me, "Have you heard of rule number 6? He said, rule number 6 is to stop taking yourself so seriously. And over the past year, I've been very intentional about using humor at work to diffuse stressful situations and to clearly signal to people on my team that I don't take myself too seriously, and neither should they. The research shows that when used well, humor helps people be more open, creative, and collaborative. And it helps you come across as just more approachable and confident too. So, how can you use humor at work well? So, firstly, make yourself the punchline. Sometimes, unfortunately, under the guise of humor, leaders unintentionally slight, belittle, or mock others. And of course, this has the opposite effect, eroding trust and confidence and shutting down others. So instead, share and laugh about one of your own failures. The best punchline is yourself. For example, I often, when kicking off a workshop, say, "Hello everyone, I'm Mohit and I'm internationally known for my sense of humor." Okay, not really. And that opening like that often gets me a lot of laughs, but you don't really have to be a comedian, just lighthearted. So making fun of yourself signals to people on your team that you aren't perfect, and they don't have to worry about being perfect either. Secondly, bring levity to small moments in the day. This can be easily accomplished. For instance, try adding a creative email sign-off, and that puts a smile on someone's face. Or start meetings with a quick improv game, like crafting a story by having each person offer one word, and that can be a great way to get everyone laughing and primed to be creative. All right, so maybe one more approach. Highlight other people's humor. Listen to when people on your team make a joke or amusing comment, and encourage them by giving them a really genuine laugh. Doing this can be powerful, especially if you don't feel comfortable making your own jokes. When you pause to appreciate someone else's humor, compared to being really focused and getting through the work agenda or the meeting agenda, it'll lighten the mood for everyone and actually lead to more effective work outcomes. Humor done right can be a critical leadership skill in helping people feel more comfortable at work. A concept known as psychological safety, where people can feel that they can bring their full selves to work and not have to wear a work mask. Now, I know that some of you have been wondering over the last couple of minutes, if rule number 6 is to stop taking yourself so seriously, well, what are the other rules? Great question. There are simply no other rules.